How to fix no audio device installed on Windows 10 or 11. Let's get started. First, use Audio Troubleshooter. For that, launch Settings. Navigate to the option System. Now head over to the option Troubleshoot. Click on the option Other Troubleshooters. Now go ahead and click on Run for the audio. Likewise, when you click on the audio icon and see an error like no audio device is installed, the first thing you want to try is click on Troubleshoot Audio Problems from the Sound icon menu. The troubleshooter will begin scanning for issues. This may take a moment. When it finds a potential fix, click Apply this fix, then click Next to the prompts. Once it's done, click the results. Next, update audio driver via Device Manager. So close this and launch your Device Manager. Now scroll down to System Devices and look for anything with a warning icon, usually your audio driver. Right-click on the faulty driver and choose Update Driver. Now click Browse My Computer for drivers. Then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers. Choose Intel Smart Sound Technology, Intel SSD, Audio Controller or similar. Then click Next. Once updated, you should now see the audio icon back to normal. Try adjusting the volume. If it's working again, you have fixed it. And that's it. If this trick worked for you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.